on the infrastructure preparing for the loop stake exam tomorrow. Mhm. All right. This term I will look to once again all of the checkpoint exam. Also, I must try all of those, but from the nearest one, I suggest. Oh no, maybe from the first one. Okay. Now let's start with Model 1, Communication and Connected Word. Actually, I will do only the final questions. Also, gonna go through it if there is lots of mistakes have been made. Right, reset. Actually, I've done it so many times, so maybe I should believe that I can do it well. Obviously, what is the internet? For me, it's network and based. Actually, a type of physical media, wave, not in physical media. Also, not an application as well. And yeah, binary value is a simple light switch. Network components include tables in a wired network. Is media. Is able to create physical movement. Is actuator. Sensor for sensing things. RFID tag is to check object and console. It's just what we see when playing games, for instance. We have radio waves. So it's electrical waves, pulses, and light pulses. Who owns the internet? It's no absolutely no one. To track RFID tags, which is radio frequency identification. Byte consists of how many bits? It is 8-bit. Which two numbers of possible values? 0 and 1 for sure. All right. To indicate thousands is K. And finally, what type of work must home user says in order to do online shopping? Internet. All right, 100%. Next, Model 2. Okay, we have this one. Network components, types, and connections summary. In this, we will got things like client servers, network components, ISP connectivity options. First time with this one. Okay, I will just reset this. Sometimes I'll compile issue. Okay, move on to this. Left conflict. What time network is divided by two computers that can send and receive is peer-to-peer. Quang ơi, ông có tự nhiên nha Quang. Thật ra nó là tôi bị bệnh nó vậy. Cái gì cũng có tự nhiên nha. Functions and devices. Okay. This is actually routers for or intermediary devices. Also, this one is data. Okay, also in intermediary filter the flow. This one. Next, home user ISP connection. Regular phone lines. remote area. Okay, next. Intermediary device, that is not PC, is firewall. Scenario, use peer-to-peer. Not this one. Noise searching in an IC, no, but this one, of course. Providing information is server. Peer-to-peer is ESUB setup. It's not just the only thing. There are some certain other reasons. And one of them is ESUB setup. It's the scalability as well. So the data is not centralized. And it's peer-to-peer, so it can be like read. Yeah, it's of course not really security. The characteristic of a peer-to-peer application. Yeah, that's one. But it can be work simultaneously. It's also not the resources not centralized. Both are clients and server. All right, model 3, wireless and mobile network. Move on to this. Use to describe connecting mobile device to another is tethering. Syncing is for like Bluetooth. When on pairing is for like Bluetooth. The syncing is just to synchronizing. Pairing is for Bluetooth, like the phone connected to the headset. Which one is device pairing? Okay, Bluetooth. That's it. What technology itself? Hands-free device, of course, Bluetooth. And then he needs wireless LAN. Establish a wireless communication with another mobile device. Touching them together is NFC, which is near field communication. Via tethering, well, tethering is maybe Bluetooth is suggest. What is tethering? It is like this. It is a mobile device to another, share connecting one device to another one. Maybe Bluetooth. We can share that together. Only for communication. maybe it should want to. Okay, so these two things, they're gonna be this one Wi-Fi and the cellular, which is providing connectivity. Wireless technology, customer connected payment system, it is NFC. Some person use Wiki to locate each GPS global positioning system. And finally, two pieces require one manually connecting their either an iOS or Android while waiting the password SSID, which is to connect to the Wi-Fi. And finally, whilst you use the neck or headphone to computer Bluetooth. Okay, that's it. Suggest I must do this thing quicker. Maybe I should not do this thing once again, but I want to do everything. Perhaps. Perfect. Next, okay, we have what is it? Is home network basics, network technologies in the home wireless standards, and set up home router. Okay, it's based on the 202.11 standards. No, okay. Let's see. Maybe I will choose this, but I prefer Bluetooth. But I want to choose this. Okay, I will suggest to read it once again later. Wireless router configuration with stock outsiders. Encryption. Of course, if it's encrypted, so everyone cannot really connect to your mobile, could connect to your Wi-Fi. It's commonly connected to the Ethernet. It is um, Ethernet. Okay, so it's not the wireless antenna, cable modem, switch ports, home wireless router, wireless not more. This one, the line, no, none of those. Wireless antenna or ION device, maybe yeah, it should be this. Low speed communication. Um, peripheral devices. Actually, Bluetooth is fast, but only a short distance, so maybe no, it's not this one. Mm, Ethernet. Type of technology. Low speed communication. Let's try Ethernet, I think, but it could be Bluetooth. Peripheral. Okay, next, what purpose? Or visitor mobile. Okay, guess set SSID. Purpose will home user have for implementing Wi-Fi to connect wireless network usable by other devices. Maybe this, not this, not this. No, it should be Bluetooth. So okay. Internet port, wide area network, not me, not local, not switch. Okay, it's category 5E, 4 pair of twisted wire. Default setting, broadcast setting, the wireless router is enabled. What is the characteristic of network SSID? Mm, network as SID, case sensitive. It is 32 characters. Not this one is encrypted by default. No, only required for get access. Of course not. So it is case sensitive. I think. Oh, it's 90%. Good. Let's do that. Perfect. All right. Wi-Fi. Okay. Wi-Fi wireless LAN specifications. Encryption LAN device. Oh, is Bluetooth. Short range, low speed. Ah, really? Short range and low speed. I don't remember that. Okay. First one is the order band width of smallest to the largest. Okay, we have K for 1000. For 1 million, billion is G, and T is for power 10 power of 12. We have KMGT tetra. Data presentation is used when a computer is processing data is binary. Computer is processing data is binary. Unique values. Character not centrally governed. Which items are collectively referred to as network media? Network media. Okay, not this. It is intermediary and devices. Network medias. Okay, and intermediary. Right. Next, move on. 6. Which two devices are considered end devices? Okay, laptop and printer. Both. PC. Okay, and devices. Printer and devices. Firewall intermediary. Firewall intermediary, smart device and devices, router intermediary, switch intermediary devices. Okay, next. High-speed internet connections. Okay, which are DSL and digital subscriber line and cable. What are three devices in the network? Intermediate. Oh, okay, intermediate device. Sorry. What is access point? Switch router. In the context of mobile devices, what does the term tethering involve? It will be involved connecting one device to another or share network connection. It is, of course, mobile to mobile to share the connection. Yeah. Next, what two methods typically used on mobile device to provide connectivity? Cellular and Wi-Fi. Next, maybe requested pairing. Okay, is a pin. Is it the SID? I don't think so. It could be not. Mhm. We're users looking for wireless headphone for listening to. Okay, it's Bluetooth. Yeah, with that headphone use, it will be used Bluetooth. Consumer places, smartphone close is NFC. User setting of home wireless network. Which type device must the user have in order to establish? you should have the wireless router because it's wireless network. Hub is not. Switch is also not because it's only in the local network. Patch panel, I don't think so. Characteristic of MAC address filtering in wireless network will encrypt. No, nah, not encrypt. Configured on the computer, no. Okay, it restrict camera access to the wireless network. Or only allow authorized users. We restrict, I think, which is much better way. Next, which technology is used widely identify WA? That is SSID. Yes, ID, right? Which router port connect to service provider C, which is the internet port. Okay, next. With time to radio frequency used in home wireless, it is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Finally, 2020, we should wireless RF BG, and I would suggest is this one. 105 gigahertz, like A and AC. I think so. Okay, 100% that's good. Like I've done this 3 times, so maybe it could be something normal for me. It's just as okay. I suppose I do not have time to do this because 100% at the first time. Yeah. So maybe I should not do it once. If really do not need it to do it once again. A network media summary. Or 82%. Okay, sure. Properly doing this. Right. Let's do this now. We have 11 questions. I wish I could do this likely almost right. So it would be perfect. Okay. Network technician is extending the network from the main office building several hundred meters to okay. High speed connection. A far 100 meters. So it's fiber optic. Two common media, fiber and copper. To the local network, it is coaxial. you have the environment, the speed, the distance, of course, the speed of the operating system. Maybe the speed. No, no, this one is not. The email detail. No, maybe this. It looks like it is correct. It looks like simply just look like this. I suggest. Or speed? No, I don't think so. It's called the fiber. All right. Next, we have make fibers preferable to copper cabling in the interconnecting buildings. This one, is it great distance per cable? I think so. It's not really lower, easily terminated. It could be greater bandwidth potential. Electrical is copper cable. Electrical, okay, again, it is coaxial, it's not fiber, it's twisted pair. Encoding impulses of light, it is fiber optic. Upgrading the local network in the building. Okay, the building, so it's fiber of optic. Okay, what is purpose? To reduce the interference in the Ethernet cable. As shall help always lower. Okay, it's fine. Just review it. Move on to the next. Fiber optic, okay. Right. Okay. Áp lực nhờ. Devices on the local network. It is twisted pair, okay. Ah, the cost, the environment, the amount data and the transfer rate desire. The cost, the environment, the distance. All right. We still need the distance. Mm-hmm. Okay, next. We move on to several criteria. Okay. Fiber consists of four pairs of color-coded wires that are twisted together and encased in a flexible plastic sheet. Copper conductor and layer of flexible plastic insulation surrounds the copper conductor. Is flexible, extremely thin. Okay. Oh, almost here. Is greater, of course, and is also limited susceptibility to AMR and RFI. Greater with potential. All right, we can see it here. It will like gain things like this. This obviously bandwidth and long distance is here, which is here. All right, copper cable, class ion twisted pair cable, wires, okay, twisted pair Ethernet cable and class ion. All right, plastic or glass or fibers within cables, a wireless transmission. We have fiber optic. Oh, twisted pair are usually to physically connect in local devices in small office. Okay, next, the access layer. Okay, it's around 820 and I'm still in model 7. Okay, it's still fine. Mhm. Reset. All right, what do we have here? What will layer to switch do when the destination MAC address is not in the MAC table? Switch. This one. Right. Which network device has the primary function to send data to a specific destination based on the information found in the MAC address table? Send data to a specific destination is router. When addressing information is recorded by switch to view its MAC address, it is the sole layer to address from the outgoing frame. It will record the source layer to address or the destination outgoing frames. It will But its purpose of FCS field is to check on determine the errors occurred with the transmission reception. Layer 2 switch it will forward data based on the logical addressing orders the port aside. Which information is a switch used to keep the MAC address information correct? It will use the source destination MAC addresses. And then is it use the source? Is it MAC address? Again, the destination MAC address and the incoming port. What process used to place one message is encapsulation. Let's send a frame address to PC3. PC1 also is not here. So the switch will forward a read on port except the port 4. Okay, which features are found in 2.3? It is physical address source, physical destination, physical and the media type of frame check sequence. What will a host on Ethernet network do if it receives this? Unicast destiny. What will a host do when you receive unicast destination MAC address plus the number machine? If a host will discard. Mhm. It's the host, not the switch or router, so of course it will discard. I think. What switch statement is correct about other than switch frame forwardizations? Maybe this one is correct. Number addresses are dropped. No, I don't think, because if not done, it could reply a message to ask for the MAC addresses, which is in wave 3, obviously. Oh, oh, it's this D3, okay. Using this MAC address table. Okay. Oh, switch. Okay, switch. The source layer to address of incoming frames, importing the incoming layer 2 frames, and recording the source mechanism files in this frame header. Okay, so it actually the layer 2 address of the incoming frames. So it's going up until we recover this large require the source layer. Yeah. Oh, no, no, it's not on the logical addressing. Yeah. Then it's the problem examining the station, which is, of course, number three is correct this time. Okay. Oh, uses the source MAC address of the incoming packet and the port of packets enter. Next. Mm, process. Okay, this one's correct. Of course, also this. We will use the source logic physical address of layer and the incoming port, which is that source and the incoming port. Okay, discard the frame, of course. If it's not, yeah, discard it. All right. Network access. Well, blues. You take my hand. I want you to be my girlfriend, cause you're Wonder Woman, and I love you 3,000. Take a chance, cause I want this to be something. You would see you smile. You take me by the arm. Broken before we could ask. The answer too fast. Now my friends they tell me easy. needs to get done. Why me? Okay, right. Reset. Or this term with aiming off the checkpoint exam. I will do it obviously, although I wasn't passed or not. I have passed it and it facilitates a communication protocol, which defines a data protocol is sensible to govern the communication process, have the same functionality as two layers. It is transport, which is transport. These are the network access network as well. This one is the same use internet, which is refer to the internet application. Once again, application it will be the help of these three things, which are application, session, and presentation. Network access is to control hardware devices that make up the network. Internet is determines the path to forward data through the network. Application is encoding and dialog control, and finally the transport is communication. These memories that features are okay. We have transmission medium, of course. We have message destination, message source. Memories segment from transport protocol encapsulating the packets and assigning appropriate address, which is the task application. Conversation management. Conversation between what it is transport. Preparing it to be transmitted is network access. Govern the way they interact. Manage. Wait a minute. Let's choose the first one. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to this. I think so. It's kind of not correct. Kind of weird. Three. Okay. It's only one third of our today's things. Implementing. Yeah, this one is correct. Rattling. Yes. No, it's not required any specific to be emailed to EMI. Also, it's easily to terminate it. Nah, it's not. But it's really not need of things like mm, it's not. It's easily terminated, so it's not. Something. Okay, this one is twisted pair. Using fiber optic rather than it's easy to for this. Data encoding technologies used in the process of light. Which criterion used to select a prototype network is the environmental, the cost of end devices? No, the cost is correct. Not end devices? No, this one. The type the environment. You can pay for network media, the cost, distance, the environment. Mm, what the last one? I will try to see it later. So, backbone. Okay, it is of course fiber optic cable. So if it's like small office, we use the coaxial twisted pair. But if it's like the telephone companies, the backbone networks, it is called the fiber optic. Deploying coaxial, it is TV set and the satellite communication system. Okay, this one is a new one that has the address APC. Oh, APC is not here, so we'll add the address of the APC to this. I would say it is the source. Of course, firstly is the source, like a trust, and incoming part, of course. So we use this. Maybe it's only the source MAC address and the incoming part. Okay, okay FPCA to PCC switch one is empty. So we'll forward not we'll flip the oh no switch. The switch is cloning the internet pod to switch to I think this one is correct. Much more correct. But your actions performed by a Cisco switch will be you maintain like a cool kid, be like a cool kid, cool kid. And the following the mm, this one next. Inside another is encapsulation. Bill is the source MAC address. I'll give this one the 46 to 1000 bytes or probably rate. Oh, 6.7 percentage of the see. I still like I've lost and get how to connect with the protocol sometimes. It seems like that. It's not fun at all. Transport. Mhm. Okay, it works. It works. It's worth to see that. Okay, all things okay. I think I can completely understand this. Love, darling, it was when darling just keeps me slow to and rise. Yeah, dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Message essential transmission medium and message source. Governing the way we contact is the oh, I'm glad interactive is the application protocol. And network internet is will take our way segments from the transport protocol encapsulating them into packets. Okay. Preparing the packets to be transmitted over the network is network access and managing the way we communicate between web servers and web clients is transport protocol. HTTP, FTP, DNS. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This was correct. Oh, it requires different termination and splicing expertise. Okay, it requires terminated. This one's correct. It is easier to install than carriage the spelling. Right? The okay, carry much signal fatter. Oh, the distance. Right. It is about the distance, I think. Okay. When switch powers on, macros are empty. To examine course source MAC address income frames. And it sees that if there's nothing here, so if the switch no entries the MAC address about the MAC address that the switch will work for all parts except for brought the frame into the switch. So it will forward the frame directly to switch to. Uh, E. Yeah, I got that. Okay. 8. Will not do the 19 because we have not really learned 19. Actually, not learned 19. Mhm. Okay. Oh, 91 percentage. Do we? Okay, IPv4 addressing scheme for end devices. Maybe it's unique. It's not this, not this. No, then by DNS, of course, no. Octets is for octets, which then provided into 32 bit. Yeah, two parts is the network and the host portion. Subnet mask is to determine which the host belongs. The subnet which the host belongs to. Devices we need IP address. It need a server with two INC, then with granted INC, and then maybe not this one. It is attached directly to a host. Maybe four, I think. If you go then relationship of physical and logical. It will be that all of us can know to same MVP or can support one IPv4 logical physical network. No, can connect multiple devices, different IPv4 logical networks. This one it did not need to belong to the same IPv4 network. Maybe this one's correct. Or a physical network. Mm, large IPv4 is 32 bits. Subnet mask. Okay. IPv4 address. This a logical addressing scheme contains no hierarchy. Not this one. You can not only connect on the internet. No, it's not really need to be unique. It belongs together. Then activities to send deploy IPv4 network in the Hyundai school with a lab. The network design requires multiple logical networks to be deployed on one physical network. Multiple logical networks built on one physical network. It is routing to connect multiple on one logical. Oh, it's wrong. multiple exist on one physical network. Okay, multiple can exist on one physical. Oh, they cannot communicate with each other if they are from different IPv4 logical network. But actually, they are connected, but they cannot communicate. They need to be the same network number. All right, good. Mm, Next, number nine. As they said, someone could be a cool kid. Okay, this one's really nice. Review it, Ollie, I think. Subnet mask. Yeah, to determine which network the host is connected of the host. If we have like the host portion, it will show where the whole which host this we belong to. Subnetting to reduce the scope of cast flooding. Yeah, small subnets we are so it can send traffic to our original subnet. Forward broadcast traffic. Okay, we like a cool kid. Okay, direct broadcast. All host a broadcast. Message from one to one. More limited is to a host on the local network. Multicast is selected route and broadcast directed to all hosts on a non-local network. Next, IPv6 addressing formats and rules. Okay. Is it to morph addresses to the network host? Is the relief IPv4 address. F. Both is dual stack. Okay, we have two with two represent string or zero hashtags. Trail omit all leading zero. Tunneling. Encapsulate. Okay, tunneling. To one way stick contains only zero. To 128 bits. This NAT IPv4, which is the lead convert the communication from IPv6 to IPv4. Its nation is valid, not this. Mm, this one. This one is no because it has a tree. Yeah, of course, it was not also. This one is correct. Submit. Okay, next. The HTTP is dynamically host. What is CP? Okay, but I think I will receive this information later. Okay, control protocol. Is it? What should we get? Oh, it's 891. It's like, okay. Plans accepting. Okay, the first one discover. Find the HTTP server. The HTTP server responding. The client which is request offer. Okay, and this one acknowledge. Is like let the music go down. I don't know where I'm going. That to simply pretty string. And take my flowers like we did last spring. But you feel alright. And just so quiet to shine. Oh, tears have been used up. My tears have been used up. Another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love. Okay, on large networks, most address configuration it eliminates almost reduces the burden on network support staff as well. On device on both non-authorized authorized need an address we get one. Actually, only the one who needed and sent the request. So it will give require permanent address. But sometimes it's not. It's okay. It's not really. It's not really the fuse. Pushing them on to the heart. Learn to love. Although my tears have been used, my tears have been used on another love. Used to reply when it message IPv4 host use. The host is what we do. Probably the HTTP server. What we do, we will try the host. The DHCP server will be acknowledge. Okay, client discover is broadcast. After receiving is offer, send us an offer, and then we will re- request for the use. This is the fact. If we use this, it temporarily show a release and return to the pool when the device is turned off. Next, we have this one. It started from 100, so for this one. Okay, the first APC one is configured to 10 dynamic from the HP service mission for 2 weeks. IP header, it will get the router one, so it could be this. Next, DHCP. Choose three. The destination from the client seeking. This one is the acknowledge. Is 82 is okay. Let's do not worry too much. This one is request, right? Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. It's us about the destination. Okay, it's my fault not really lifted the questions. Ah, it was about destination IP address, which is, of course, okay, checkpoint same. Oh, 90%. It looks great. Yes, sound are doing this faster. Which is the host is 2. which the host belong to. Not this one. Sure. Create subnets switches needed. Oh no, not this will be more complicated. Improve network performance. Easier to implement security policies. Or is an unreachable DHCP server. It is loopback, which is not really reached to the DHCP server. And they moving on and Mm, apart. You. It is 48. Mm, it is 48. Static. To start. Rhythm. Yeah. Right. Identify which portion is the network address. The part that identifies the network is the part that identifies the network. True, yeah. Every network meet an IP address to communicate on the network. Implement the performance implement based security policies, which is really also suggest this. It is unreachable. Okay. Oh, so link local address. Oh yeah, it's link local loop back. Okay, it's my fault. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, 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 it's D, not this one. 122 bits. Yeah, 828 bits. Sorry. Mm, all right. Servers and peripherals are often accessed by IP address. Okay. Also printers, servers, and peripherals. Okay, day two are the network summary. Wow, 100 percentage. We really need to figure out what this is going to do. Just look at this. The same LAN, okay, we send directly to the destination host. NAT, from NAT is router. The logical address and the router interfaces with the host computer. It should communicate with other devices in the other network, so you cannot communicate with hosts on remote networks. Private is this 110.0.0.172.16.0.192.68.00. So just yeah, translating IP address to the public registered IP address is NAT. We have the translating as well, which is before we see this NT64, if I remember right, to share one or more public IP addresses. Okay, IP address of the mask default gateway address, private IP address, the wireless router, which is borrowing between the home wireless network and the internet. Next, ARP process. If we quickly over the steps, if we really extremely need this. Okay, ARP process quiz. Okay, move on. Okay, let's do this. Uh, what is the function of ARP protocol, which is resolution address protocol, used to resolving an IPv4 address, which is the logical IP addresses to the MAC addresses. Used it is FFFF, which is hashtag. Be one here. I don't want to know. Just say sorry. Treatment of every request on the local link, they will receive a probe. Only all routers, every device. Yeah, every device. Forward the data onward. Ethernet frame header by layer 2, which is the destination IP address. Where it functions in MAC address. It is to a node network. I think this PC1 issues ERP request, but it needs to send back a PC2. PC1 issues an ERP request to your IR or router 1. If it's no, if it's so PC2, PC2 will send directly your part IRP reply with the PMC is to MAC address because in the SAM switch, the destination to the source MAC address. Or IPv4 to the destination MAC address. Slowly. Okay, if the switches have a MAC address table that populated or once I'm 7 years old, my father have told me, make yourself some friends and you belong. I was 7 years old, my father told me, go make yourself some friends and you belong. Once I was 7 years old. It's a big, big word and you big, bigger, bigger. I was 7 years old, my father told me, go make yourself some friends and you belong. That dream is a dream that told me stories, stories, worries, music for me. Once I was 7 years old, I got told that so years old does not know the MAC address. So if we request and you would respond, we reply up in this one address, which is B4988. Oh, it's the F3. So yeah, so it's the years old PT activity. It looks like kind of slow. All right. What is the task? Review, use the expect to magnifying class icon. This one is it. And then show what? Take my hand, I want you to be my girlfriend because you're my one. Display the port status summary when PC 0 pings the web server, which MAC address is the source MAC address in the frame from R2. This one is web server P0 ping. Okay, this one is saying here to this. This one will request with the MAC address of the RT and then got the destination. Send the things to this. Send to this one. Reply again the MAC address of this. Send through to this MAC address and ask for this MAC address, which is sent by this. Okay. Oh, So the thing is that we cannot see this is absolutely this one. Is what 841? Is it here? Oh, okay, it's locked. For some certain reason, it is locked. Okay, it's fine. It is on the MAC address of the router 2. Yeah, I don't know what it is. What it look like. So just randomly, this one looks like the answer. MAC address, not, no. Oh yeah, of the ANC or interface. MAC address is the logical now. Is where to select the best path now. Physical address. Destination layer 2 header. That's it. Oh, almost. It's 93 percentage with only one wrong. Oh, it's correct. Just choose it randomly. Source. Oh, MAC address really is the destination MAC address, isn't it? What? 3000. Maybe take a chance, cause I want this to be something, baby. Uh, yeah, destination MAC address. Okay, right. All right. Oh, routing between 83 percentage is still good. Temporary, I think. Okay, which use my routers forward data packet toward its destination, which is destination IP address forward. The router is use the IP address. Cannot communicate on the networks. Router play on the network. Mm, With this house of memories. Forwarding frames now. Best path to do this. House of memories. The house of memories. To rebuild this house of memories. Reach out to it. You see it. You see house of memory. Of memories. Take a picture out. The scene. See, take a scene for the house of memory. Wow, wow, wow. of ourselves. Don't keep a kind of empty without somebody else you are enough for her. Or 67th routing table, I think. Or selecting the best path or choosing the right one. Router, okay. Keep broadcast content in the local within local network. For you don't know how it feels to be alone. Make you know, I make you know. For you don't know how it feels to be alone. I make you know. So to routing is to keep broadcast content. Oh, in, in your head, and on fire. Yeah, it's do not forward. Others do not. It will write, but do not really forward it. Um, in your head. Wait. Mm, mm. Routing table contains the addresses of network. Okay. Movie theaters, right? Theaters in your head, in your head, ladies and gentlemen. In your head. Kingdom. I can feel you fade away from the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your step keeps me awake. Don't coming down me out. Once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? Little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. I'm gonna love you so lonely. Oh, living, baby, let me down slowly. Cold king, trap me feet on the tile. Host is same network, but yeah, I can reach host, so the IP address, okay, it's work. This combo like on the remote network, so it should be the default gateway. TCP IP is okay because it is work really can reach the host, send and receive data through the NAT is a registered public IP address. Using NAT is of course registered assigned to the mm, external router interface. But LAN is connected to the using wireless router, but they do using NET, also ENAT. No, not receive token. Let's share a single. Yes, I do. Okay, this one. Down. Oh. Okay, layer 3 to layer 2, which is get send the IP address and receive the MAC address. With images and content address mapping. So send some input to the to discover the MAC address of the destination device. Host A with hold E with not know the MAC. So you should need to host BC and router 1. Purpose ARP is to build a MAC address table in which the information is gathered. Oh, no, no, no. Specific address. When the IP address is none, which is the most basic task. Who needs to reach another host on remote network so we can use the broadcast. This one, MAC address. Yeah. Which destination address is used in ARP? In ARP is FF. Oh, ARP just to we broadcast. Hmm. Again, PTFWD, I think it wouldn't work. So just try to the double fix. Default the way is that the one is based on the router which is connected to, and the default gateway is that we connect to on the same network, of course. Send a packet to the workstation E, which encapsulation is encapsulation, so it will send ARP to the switch router. Okay, so we will send to the router. It will doesn't send things to, so it's obviously the destination layer 2 address does not change. That is this destination layer 2 address, which is the MAC address, is forwarded. No, we do not know that MAC address, so it will not. Stripped from the frame it is received by each router. This one's correct. Reassembled? Is it reverse stripped? Maybe this one is much more correct. I suggest that when it's forwarded, it will like the MAC address and the IP address. No, no, wait a minute. Gosh, was sent by the. Oh, I think that I would not really understand this. Functions, I will check it. Function router determine the best path and connects multiple IP networks. Two, yeah, this one. Functions of a router, of selection, domain names resolution, address assignment. Other life, all my tears have been used up on another life, another life. All my tears have been used up on another life, another life have been used up. Oh, oh, when the threatened when another word the one cry I wanna learn to love but the way materials have been used uh, forward packets used to network. You can see the IP address configuration show from the CP1, PC1 is description, the default gateway address is of the router 1, address upon visit connects PC1 LN to the router 1. 80 percentage is too good. Absolutely. So we just send them on to another heart. I wanna cry, I wanna learn you love. But all my tears been used up. Routing is like 50 over 50 percentage, not really worth. Not good routing, you can see network address translation. Okay, this one. But there's a catch of MAC address to appear mapping on local mirror. There's no mapping. There's no mapping, so it will send an at broadcast on locally to resolve the team. All right. Ethernet broadcast. To use Gary viewable table IP address, my address mappings to broadcast the MAC address. Okay. Oh, ARP-A. Layer 2 header frame is reassembled. When a router receives a frame, it strips the layer frame header information from the frame and check the routing table to determine which interface to use to send the packets to its destination. It's capsulated with new frame header containing different source and destination MAC addresses. When a router on the layer 2 header of the layer 2 header, the frame is reassembled. When it's then header, the frame is reassembled. New frame header. Okay, stripped from the frame. Oh, so it's stripped from the frame. When to both allowing to is stripped from the frame is received and is reassembled when it's forwarded. Okay, yeah, it connect to multiple IP connection. Okay, have selection the minimum resolution. Forward out that interface. Oh, packet forwarding path selection. It strips. Okay, it strips the header, the source, and the destination. Checks and send it. New frames or reassemble both. The frame only resemble the frame, not the packet. Okay, understand this network portion and this one, yeah. Okay, finally move to this 15 TCP UDP, which is absolutely from the transport layer. Okay, which protocol separate the application layer application HTTP characteristic is provide unreliable delivery of segment. Which type of application is best suited to UDP? It is require flow control now, require minimal transmission delay. This one. It will be fast. Not it will be unordered, not really straightforward as well. To, no, extending files from a faulty computer network. TCP is responsible for receive, resampling the messages. TCP IP, this TCP is transport controlling protocols. What problem had the information used at the transport? Identify a target application is port number. And to use services and application. Using source port is to keep track of the multiple conversations between devices. What is advantage is now it's not reliable as the TCP. TCP is more. Acknowledges no, requires less overhead. Yeah, this one I think. Actually, it is like maybe um, not really this. It seems like Is no order. Yes, over here. It's okay. If when is tolerates some loss s- fully received, so it's not very specific sequence. Okay, not as well. Use port number, of course, it is just port layer. This transmission. No, not this. No, not it. No, not this. UDP will not retransmission of lost packet. Also not the sequence number. So this one is of course correct. Mr. Martin, Mr. Oh, 100%. Very kind of great. Okay, things that I've not learned FTP, so I will fast, relatively fast. Just check if it's okay. It's 82 percent. FTP. Oh, firstly, again, I'm not learned FTP at school, so I should not try to think about this. The five transferring protocol. This one's easy, great for traffic control and the second is to transfer file. Or maybe, yeah. Network protocols between the source and the destination. Serve a web page. Web page. Okay. This one is the S. This one is SH. Figured addresses is dynamic host configuration. This one is post office protocol and the single mail. I don't know really what this stand for. Virtual is Telnet and SSH. It is more secure. It is HTTP. What DNS? Just try this from a server to a client. Remote web server. It needs to change the name to the IP. Often something like that. Oh, I did not know this. Just try to randomly answer. Yeah, it's not really correct. 82% is okay. Well, it's really just some senses. Oh, correctly? Really? really does some sense. As soon as is correct. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, that's why that's what I told actually. As I've thought about, it's gone with this. Um, Actually, we have DNS roadmap to the main name to its IP address, which is the reason. Mhm. STMB is the five. Next, network utility. All right, still need some things to do. Around 18, 17, 20, and then two more checkpoint exam is five tasks. Looks like we kept running kind of fast with these things. I guess I can do well on tomorrow test. With the command, so it's kind of okay. I think I can what is this course? Okay, use a ping if to test the connectivity. Users enable to connect to this ping address. Okay, that is is to test, not really to do other things. It is only to test things. IP config will show us the IP class that mask and the default gateway. Respond to each packet received. Display active network, which is net start. Find the MAC address is config all to ping World Wide Web. This case code is if you use the browse and ping, but cannot browse it. So there's something not really DNS because it can ping, so the IP address is really okay. Maybe DNS. Let's see. Should think like to renew. We should renew this because it's wrong. Right. Test to connect to other IP host. Another one. keeping is to this traffic config taken to the destination, temporary connections, and display. It requires name server for information. Okay, 100. Okay, let's see what is here on the checkpoint. Except 45. All right, should do this. Receives a message with sequence number, our order. It is transport. Best suited for UDP is sometimes required transmission. No, not this one. Sensitive, no. No. So maybe sensitive to delay, of course. To reassemble, reorder. Okay. PC issue next start is to lead the connection and usage report. Which action is performed occurring when you start playing communication with via the UDP? It will sense maybe add as the server to start. No, window size not. Oh, after radius. Okay, TCP send to PC1 to the web server via port 80. The was forwarded by R1 but not received by R2. So the R2 will request to send it back because it is TCP. Send a segment. And maybe, oh, for T. Just this one. OnKit protocol used by a web browser. Secure is HTTPS. Request host. What is it about? I don't know. Just trying to figure it out to later. Maybe I should do this. In the simulation mode, the capture package will yes, it was being requested from server 0. Mm, mm. If it's just we're gonna work with this. Ah, still not working. I do not know why. I actually don't really understand how to use this app. Socket. Again, an PT activity. Too much. URL is the location. MAC address, no, that address, the domain name, the SPA, the version, no, the protocol that is being used. Email, SMTP, TFTP, POP3, or the TFTP is the file transferring, sorry. Test connect to other IP host. Display, that's that. Trace route. And let's look up. And this one is display. New IP address. Trace route. 46. Kind of really nearly. Oh, this that. Ah, D. Not of this. long way from where we began. Oh, I told you all about it when I see you again. Maybe it is B. B or D. This was my correct, of course. Most of the time, as we cannot see really what happens here, so actually we don't understand what's going on. Just like to randomly seeing things. Yeah. So of course I still get the low score on this. It is for IP config release. All right. Next, network design. Most mostly likely to complete this night. Percent. The thing is that we need to get only from the form briefly this one fault tolerance with eruptive effect because weak recovery versus failure occurs. Lipofat. Scalable, support new users and applications, integrating that are being assessed by existing users. Skill designers follow established standards and protocols. QoS is increasing requirement for networks with data, voice, and video content to convert onto the network. Comes in primary mechanism for managing congestion and ensuring reliable delivery of content to all users, measured in BPS. When simultaneous communications are attempted across the network, the demand for network bandwidth exists is availability and creating network congestion. Is prioritized time sensitive traffic, time traffic, time traffic, right? What is important? So type, content, and network administrators will address two type network security concerns with one is the security informed network and which one the second one is information that which packets being finished with a network, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Okay, to commonly be found unless this layer of the hierarchy or layer and some more access layer of the enterprise. Actually, a lot of those because in networking design, which I actually did not really attend classes. My class did not attend. We didn't really work with this, so I just randomly choosing it. Okay, this was what we actually learned. Impacting the performance. Okay, confidentiality, availability, and integrity. Which is to be altered during the transmission. Streaming fault tolerance. You can make things strong, it will still work. Yeah, true or false. Yeah, this was true. Name is IP trust. Hierarchical design model is core distribution access. I don't know. I don't really learn this. Just like try. What are they doing? No, no, no. Redundancy means to limit the number of affected users in the event of failure. Have priority, which is scalability. Well, it is quality of service, which prioritizes internet. Distribution layer, I don't know. Distribution, I don't know what is it. Fault tolerance, which is provides reliability. And this one also quality of service prioritize traffic. Actually, I don't learn this, of course, so nothing's not knowing anything about this. That's why. Mhm. Scalability, okay. This was okay. It is streaming higher. Our priority is QoS. Oh, so it's we on physical network can have multiple IPv for logical network. That's why there's failure. Okay, that's correct. Okay, next. No, no 19. We do not really learn 19. Oh, it looks like we can finish this after around 20 minutes. Okay, 173. Okay, is one, which is 80, 87. Okay, is like 86, and then it's 0 is 43, then it's 21 with 1, and then it's 10, 4, and 86. Okay, 1, 86, and then 43, and then 21, and then it is 86 here with 1, and then 43 with 0, and then 21 with 1, 43 with 1. 86 is 173, 186, 33, 21, 10, 5, 2, 1. Okay, that's 1. Oh, 10, 8, octet only, so it's 8. O6, OX6, OXC9. Mm, C is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is 10, B, C is 11, 12. 12 is, um, 12 is like, 8, 4. 8 and 4 is 128 and 60 and 64, which is total. It is a total of around, maybe, it is 192 and 9, which is 8. 8 is called like 8 only, and 8 only is, it's like, 9 is called 180, 64, 22. 8 is called a red. Alright. CA. A is 10. 10 or 11 is 10, isn't it? Oh, so now it's not really a camera. Wake me up. Right. A is like 10, I think. A, B, C, D, E, F. A is 10. 10 is 8, 2. 8 is, and 2 is, alright, is, 12 and 10. What is range of hexadecimal values can be used in hexdent? Okay, so hexadecimal is this one is 9. No. 8 and 1 is 9, so it's 8. It's 9. Maybe I'm wrong. The first, this one is 1101, which is 13. D. Like kind of weird for me. Sometimes I don't really understand it. Is 182 is 11, then we have 8, which is 101. That is like a uh 1 11 is gonna be 1 8 is it is like 1 2 it's, mm, the first one is 8. Second one is called like nah. The second one is 7. It's 8 is like 1 2 3 4 6. 0 starts from 0, right? It's like 7, I suggest. So it's like 4 2 and 1, and this can make up to um, 2 4, and then nah, but we need like 11 is called as 8 2 and 1, which is 1011, the first path. Is 7, I think. Just try this. This is actually not this. Something's wrong. Valid hexadecimal. F is this 1, and then we have 1 with 04, which is come to There's like 192, and you have 104. 104 is like 64. So 1 and 40. 40 we have 32. Maybe 111. And then we have 8. It is like 111. Oh, 1000. This one. Finally, this one will be called 111, which we have before is 32. We have plus with 4 is 36. Next we have 16 and 1 is 17. The final one we have 8 and 2, which is 10. Submit. Oh, 75. Okay, it's okay. We have three three mistakes. Right, I think I have should use my. Hmm. Oh, again, this correct is obviously A9B, which I have missed. Well, makes sense. I thought that is the 8B. Alright, understand this concept. Finally, the last path part of today. Medical records of data. Just noting. Okay, so while a certain patient can see many other patients fault it is security. It is quality of service. Notice the work. Mhm. It is what is the service? Or is scalability? It is market trust. I don't know this as well. Oh, no, I'm not doing this. It's it makes sense if I actually do not understand what I'm going to do, but not so that I would actually not doing this. Here is 10 CD. IPv4 is the binary, no technical cell. Dotted as one more. ASCII, not binary as well, so it should be this. Uh, 8, 1 is 11, 11 is, and then 10 is A. Okay, this one, the count is 10, and then 100, 21, 1, 2, 3 is 3, F is 50, 15 would be all of this. Here should be A421. A421 will be counted as A421 is called as 15 as well. And 3 is B21, which is 48, 63. 182. And then this call me first one will be 10 is A5. Yeah, modern version system is absolutely great. So okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for being here with me.